Well, here we are, Loch Shieldaig, heading out into Loch Torridon. It's warm, sunny and relatively calm, and it's one of the most gorgeous parts of the country. Tango is not having a good morning. Say hello, Colin. Colin. No talking. I'm talking to Colin, he's not even there. He's buggered off. Colin's finally made it out. This island, we're coming up to Shieldaig Island, where apparently a couple of seagulls nesting. It's nice to see them. And over ahead to the right, it's the start of the Torridon Mountains, the jewel in the crown of Scottish mountains. Absolutely fabulous. There's a drone been following us out. Can't see it, but we can hear it. Just see how intrusive it is, Colin, eh? Bloody drone about. I think they're puffins, mate. This is absolutely stunning out here, eh? Dead ahead is lovely blue skies. Over to the left is big black clouds. You see them? I think they might have a shower or two on the way. There's Tango 1, and behind them is the Torridonian giants, or a couple of them. I don't believe how calm this is out here. And you were on slack at the moment. Torridon. God's own country. I see the top of Bunny over the back. There's Bunalligan, dead ahead, and Leahak. I think that's maybe Bowsburn we can just see as well. Isn't it quite a Monroe? We'll head over towards Loch Diabig. Loch Diabig. Past this headland on the right. A wee bit of drizzle started. Further out, further down Loch Torridon, just at the end there, that headland, is the Minch, the Atlantic. Torridon Mountains to the left, and that's the Glencairn Hills to the right. There's Bundanfair, Mile Chingerak. Rain stopped, sun's back out. And it is dead flat calm now. There's a seal following us. It's still quite far away, so I'm not going to bother turning round.
Somebody's interested in us.
Oh, aye. It's a seal just about right here. There's some caves up here. Check them out on the way back. Just stop to check them up. They're almost parallel with Loch Diabig, the wee village of Lower Diabig. was out at Lord Diabig last year with Alex. We drove out, land based. What a gorgeous wee place. Yeah. And as you can see, it's starting to kick up a lot more further we go out. Picking that wind up. So it's towards the end of Loch Torridon. Heading out towards the Minch, North Minch. Yeah? You can feel the difference of the swell starting to get up and the waves, eh? Eh? Yeah. Right in the distance you can see the Isle of Lewis, which Colin just spotted. You can tell it's Lewis because it's flat as a billiard table. To the left of that where all the clouds gathering, you see the hills. That's why the clouds gathering. That's Harris. And just coming into view on the left is the northern tip of Skye, the Isle of Skye. There's a wee bothy right in that north tip called the Lookout. If you fancy a wee bed for the night, free accommodation. Right in the northern tip of Skye. Starting to get a bit rougher now. Swell's getting up, these waves are getting up, mate. This is into a wee bay here. A couple of sails up there. There's some on that rock over there, you see them?
Oh yeah.
A whole bunch of them.
I'll be happier when it's behind us. Look.
Yeah. Hopefully get around this headland, get it more comfortable. You can feel that swell dragging you over a place now, eh? Oh aye, it's right in front of me there. You see that right in front of me? 5 yards from the boat. Have a wee look at this wave. Trying to put the brakes on here, but this current's pretty strong. It's taking it right in. We're not going to get very far. There's a load of boulders. The cave goes right in. But there's a load of boulders just below the surface here. I thought I saw something at the end of the cave there. There's a load of boulders blocking the way, but that cave goes right in. Yeah.
You sure you've not got a motor? You sure you've not got a wee propeller there? I see all right in front of you. Oh, it's just pop.
Fish farm. So. seal that's been following us down the loch. It's having a good look at us, eh?